Hi guys, I thought I would go around the garden and look at all the plants that were gifted by the birds. So I have currently two almond trees. This is the smaller of the two, and that's growing happily there. This is the West Indian milkberry plant, and they dropped the seed down there and it's growing and now fruiting. It does have medicinal properties. And look at the berries. This is a very large specimen. This is a apple blossom tree. There's a mango tree entwined in that as well, but that was gifted to me by the birds. I'd written a story and I'd just been talking to myself about it and getting it sorted out. And this started growing. I thought it was a different plant, and then I started noticing the flowers, and then when I looked at it, I identified it as an apple blossom tree, and it has pink flowers. The birds gifted me two mahogany trees. We already have one, but they planted a seed here, and there's another one at the front, but I'm keeping this one very low. We've already got one that's really tall, so I'm keeping this one low. They're constantly gifting me bay leaf plants. They obviously drop the seeds. I've never seen, let's see my one. This is my original one. I've yet to see it flower, so I don't know what they look like, but they gifted me about 13 plants when I started looking around. They were growing all over the place. They gifted me this guava tree. It wasn't in this particular position where it was growing. I thought it was a sweet sop, and I moved it here, and then over time realised no, it's not a sweet sop or sour sop. So it's now grown into its own. This is the other almond tree. It's growing quite big, but I'm keeping it kind of trimmed. I need to cut it back a bit and clear this whole area, but there are all the plants or seeds that were dropped by the birds that have now grown into larger plants, and I think I've got some fruit here. That's how it starts there. But yeah, take care.